Frenchies is the best.
Chocolate
I
donut.
never saw the maple walnut at the other location. Is that like a new one?
Have two new ones. The maple walnut and the key lime pie.
Chocolate.
Oh, key lime pie.
Yeah? For real?
They're fresh.
Oh my god.
We always. We were like, let's try it here.
Can I?
Thank you.
Okay. Oh my god. What do you want?
The vanilla or the chocolate? Okay.
We're gonna be like at Frenchies and add more ice to the donut.
Careful. Oh, there's a straw in the other.
Cheers.
Can I have a napkin?
That was good. Oh. I'm gonna wait.
Wait, how am I supposed to know that?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to hold this the whole time?
I guess so.
I'm shaking the table. Ooh, some big bites.
How are you still your first bite?
I guess I really am holding it the whole time.
Mama, can I try that one?
It's not mine. You have one. Finish your donut.
Such a big bite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now I'm videoing and licking your fingers.
Yeah. Why did you say your finger? You say not to lick your fingers.
And he said he doesn't like coffee at night. Look, look.
You're lying on the lie. What are you doing? Come on.
Be careful. Very, very dry.